Hi everyone, so I get a ton of questions related to mentoring, so I thought I'd just make a video explaining everything for you guys all at once. So let me just clarify, no, I do not sell mentorships, at least not in the typical sense. So let me just explain real quick. I don't have a private / pre-recorded course that you can buy or some kind of private special Discord. Everything I know, I've already shared and continue to share for free on my trading channel. That said, I do offer one-on-one, so it would be like you and me, right, face-to-face mentorship sessions. And yes, there is a charge for that. Obviously, I'm not gonna do it for free if I have to spend my time making a curriculum and basically holding your hand throughout your trading journey. That'd be silly. I have things to do and time is money. But here's the interesting part. Almost every time someone asks me for mentorship, I simply point them to my free playlist. After that, I rarely hear from them again. That could mean A, they learned enough from the playlist and didn't need further help. B, they went to someone else who sold them a dream, like a paid mentorship or course. Or C, they didn't connect with my content and decided it wasn't for them. Maybe there are other reasons too, but these are the main patterns I've seen. So if you're still genuinely interested in one-on-one mentorship, here's what I offer and just what it looks like. You can DM me or ask in the Discord chat and we can set up a free consultation. Yes, free. Now, why free? Because I want to figure out if you actually need mentorship. You'd be surprised how many people are already profitable traders. They just don't realize it yet. On the flip side, some people struggle because they're not trading, they're gambling. And if you're dealing with a gambling problem, I have no interest in taking your money or feeding that addiction. These consultation calls help me figure out how much help you actually need, whether it's worth my time and your investment. I'm very selective because honestly, some people just aren't motivated enough, and the last thing I want is to take your money, watch you not do the work, and then have you blame me for your failures. That's not good for either of us, and it risks my reputation. Now, one last important note. Whether I agree to mentor you or not, I will tell you to start with my beginners playlist. That playlist is the backbone of my curriculum. I'll be asking you questions from those videos to see if you actually watched and absorbed the material. You might feel like I already know the basics, and maybe you do, but sometimes small nuances or single ideas can click and completely change your understanding. That's why the playlist matters so much. So everyone, with that being said, if you're someone that's interested in one-on-one mentorships, please just watch all the videos in my playlist, all my videos really in general, and don't just save them, actually watch them, because of something else I've also noticed is people will look at my content, think, oh man, this is amazing, let me just save it so that way I can watch it later, and then they completely forget about it and forget about my channel in general, and then they'll stumble upon another video later on and they go, oh hey, this is a good video too, let me save it and I'll watch it later, and then later becomes never. So please guys, don't waste your time, actually give my content a shot. Watch everything, join the Discord, ask me questions there. Me or other people that are in the Discord are more than willing to help out, and that way you guys don't have to waste your time and money. Okay, so with that being said guys, thank you all for watching the video. Thank you for taking your time to look at my content in general, and I hope to hear from you guys soon in the Discord chat. Peace.